I found a creak on the floor and it's annoying Mr. Producer. So I'm just stood here rocking backwards and forwards. Anyway, we'll get down to it. I have the biggest box to bring in, and I'm not joking. It's that big, I've left it outside. Well, in the hallway. I will explain, I promise. I wasn't joking, it's not small. I've got to lift this up onto bed. Right, now I have one of these. I know, I have one of these. Mr. Producer doesn't. He was feeling a bit left out. Also, he wanted to use mine outside, in the garage and outside basically. So I said, no, you should treat yourself. Get yourself a new one. So here we go. Mr. Producer's Robust Outside Hoover. There you go. There's the title of the film. So we're going to open it all up for him, test it all out, see if it works as good as mine, because it should. And it's the Titan TTB431 vac. It's a 40 litre, 1400 watt wet dry vacuum. It's got 14 watt max power. it does 20 kPa. 40 litres, and there's 2-year warranty with it. Yeah, it's quite a good thing. But this one doesn't have a bag. That's the main difference. Also, Mr. Producer told me. This is the one where he can just tip it into the bin when he hoovers up sawdust and things like that. Put in. What? Hoover. Hopefully. Hopefully he's saying hopefully. So we shall see, shall we? What's in the box? Mr. Fox. Oh no, Mr. Producer. There's a bag. There's a big. That's bigger than mine, isn't it? Is yours bigger than mine? So, I'm being nosy through the window. Got a nice long pipe. It is different to mine. That is different to mine. You know, if you've got a better version, you can have mine, and I'll have this one. Okay, that looks like a gym thing. Do yourself up and down. Now I'm going to put it on the floor to actually lift the Hoover out. That is one heavy Hoover. Jeez, my keys. Nearly ended up with mine. Well, it smells funny. It smells new. There's a lot of cardboard in there. Right, I'm going to move the box. Should I move the box back into the hallway? You could fit a person in that box. It's that big. Right. So, we have. Yeah, am I meant to put this all together then? No screwdriver. So that, I presume, goes on that, does it? Where does that go then? That's for water, is it? Okay. I like it, he went, and he knew I would know it was water. You've got, yeah. That's different to mine as well. Mine's got all things on it. That's to slot everything onto. There's nuts and bolts for this one. What have you done to them? You want to know the next thing? Oh, they are. Phew! I didn't think there was destructions then. Is it there? Presuming they're your wheels. They're all your bits. It's a long way down. Another wheel. Okay. It's just fell out. It was in there, look. Don't panic. Right. So it stays on that black thing then. Okay. And I know you have to put this bit in there, like so. Yeah? You do? And now put the wheels on first. Not completely daft. There's a plug there. You have to plug it in. On and off switch. This is definitely the more heavy duty one, isn't it? The more robust one. So shall we put the wheels on first then? You want me to look through the instructions? No. I could be in a brass band. Sorry. I hope it tells me how to do it. Doesn't show you in pictures how to do it. You know I need pictures to know how to do it. It tells you in words. Right. You will find 2 casters, 2 large rear wheels, 2 axles, 2 hubcaps, 1 tool holder and 4 screws with your wet dry vacuum. Assemble as follows. Right. Shall I leave you to this, Mr. Producer? Okay. Take axle marked with the letter A and place in dolly also marked with letter A. What's the dolly? Number 4 is the dolly. That's the dolly. That bit. So I'm presuming we need the one that has the A on it. I'm presuming they come off. And that's just to hold them together. Yeah. Because they're your rear wheels. Looks a bit like a twig. Or a very poorly drawn stickman. Sorry. Then this is going to take me longer than 5 minutes. Right. 2x it says. What? Looking for A. Where's that bag with all the bits? I haven't got a screwdriver, Mr. Producer. I'm going to get the one in a minute, are you? Okay. So there's your 4 bolts that it was on about. They must be the axles. There's the nuts. Two nuts to go with 2 bolts. Acting. Plastic bags are not toys. Right. So this should have an A on it then, somewhere. Or at least one of them should. Is this the axle, do you think? Let me have another look. There is pictures. Can't go like that, surely. I hope I just put that on the right one. I think I have. Otherwise it wouldn't have gone in like that, would it? Oh no, that says B. Yeah, that's right, I've put it onto B. I've actually put B together with B. Go figure that one. And that one says A. And then it says A down there. That's pretty cool that I did that as a fluke. Right, so you push them down. So then, yes, I agree, the window should be clean. I'm trying. There's no holes on the outside, so these can't go like that. There's no holes for them. Right, so I'm facing this way. It says Stanley on that side, doesn't it? Yes? Right, or not, sorry, Titan, not Stanley. Right, so I'm going to be holding it that way. So it says hold it that way, and then slot it in somewhere. And I'll just do the front wheel. Not sure if you're meant to take the wheels off, because they've got them shown here screwing on. Somebody's already put the wheels on there. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Yeah, the wheels aren't actually on. You know, when I figure it out, it'll look so simple. I want to do the other wheels. Number 3. Wait there. It's not even them that I should be playing with at the moment. Where did I put that bit? Where did I put the tool holder? There. Right. Take axle marked with the letter A and place in dolly also marked with the letter A. Take axle marked with the letter B and place in dolly also marked with the letter B. Take tool holder and place between axles A and B. Secure with screws provided. Right, so that is that way around. So yeah, I thought it was that. Yeah. So screws provided. So is that them then? They're a bit small. No, they're not screws. These ones, isn't it? They're a bit small. Plus I need a screwdriver to secure them. So, off you go. He's got the ratchet. Good old ratchet. There is a ratchet, isn't it? You did that on purpose. Yes, you did. Now how am I meant to get that back out? There's 1 and 2. It still sounds like I'm in a brass band. I'm making sure it's tight because they hold the wheels on. Don't fancy lifting it up and the wheels falling off on me. Somehow. Right, so that's them. It does say then to put the wheels on and the hubcap. I'm just going on a hubcap. But that's already done. So now I've got to get the 2 little wheels. So these ones, the casters. Then it says, insert casters into dolly by placing stem of caster into holes provided. Apply pressure and twisting motion until casters snap into place. Turn tank to upright position. Yeah, you might be right. Turn it around might be a bit easier. I don't want to dent the tank. That's a bit hard. Right, so that's all 4 wheels on. Now, I've got to put the carry handle on. That's the next thing to do, it says. I was having a cheeky read while Mr. Producer was getting the ratchet/screwdriver. So it says, carriage handle assembly. Be sure to spread ends of carriage handle when assembling to prevent damage to tank. Attach carriage handle to tank by inserting bolt through the centre hole of handle and tank. Secure with nut provided. Attach side handles with screws provided. So that's them. The nut and the screw, yes? There's a joke there, isn't there? The nut and the screw walk into a bar. So this is the safety handle. Carry it. So that to stop the damage happening to the tank. So I put it through the middle one, do I, it said? Or do I have to do it for all of them? Do I use those ones, which I've only got 2 of? Right there. There's them grey things gone. Right, you put those ones in the middle, and then you put them over there. Right, so, and then they're the carry handles. Right, figured that out all on my own. There's the middle hole. I need a spanner. Are you going for a spanner now, Mr. Producer? Are you going to tighten my nut later for me? There's that one in. Not tight because Mr. Producer won't go and get me a spanner. But it's in and it's staying still. So let's get this one in to stay still now. So that's put right. Now I've got to line these up. I gotta get it through all 3 holes. Let's turn it round, then I'm not using my left hand. I'm not very good with my left hand sometimes. Doesn't look like I'm going to be any better on my right hand, but... It is working. You really want to take over, don't you? I can see you itching to do it. Ow. Come on. Sorry, I'm not talking to you. I'm trying to concentrate. I know women can do two things at once, but I can't screw a bolt and talk at once. Goes in fine for a couple and then it struggles. I think that'll do for now and let you fasten up tighten a bit. But it's not looking too bad, look. It's on. Look. Handle. Use this a second. Hot. I need the other handle. So you do need these other screws in here. Only two of them though. One of the hottest days of the year. Pardon? 2 screws for the bottom. Which bottom? My bottom. Ow. Oh, I've just kicked the wheel on the bed. That hurt. See, that's going in crooked. Why is it going in crooked? Why can't it be simple and going straight? I've done that wrong, that one. Sorry, I'm scratching at your hoover inside. I'm going to give up in a minute and let you do it. You know that, don't you? Right, it's meant to go like that. Are we agreed? Flat. Against it. Yes? We agreed? Why isn't it then? Right. If I put that one in, look, that one doesn't reach then. Right, that's not going to go in flat. It's bad design work. Where's my instructions? They're really important. I'm melting. Melting! I need you to have a tissue and dab my forehead. Wasn't that funny? Right then, so I'm going to let Mr. Producer finish this bit off, and I will see you all in a minute. Goodbye. I'm back. Mr. Producer's tightened it all up for me and gone and got me a spanner, your teeth in, to tighten up the spanner bits. So it's a righty tighty lefty loosey. I love saying that. I've done them quite tight actually, or have you tightened them before I have? He's tricked me. He's tightened them without me knowing. Right, so that's the nice handle on. Shall we? That, I know it sounds daft, would be quite good for wheeling water around when you're in the caravan. Yeah. Or a small child. Hey, let's go for a walk. Sorry. But we've got 2 screws left. And there's 2 holes with the wheels. So I'm going to use up the screws and put them in the 2 holes. It doesn't say to on the instructions, but they don't normally give, well they do sometimes give you extra just in case you lose one down the sink. Like I have before when putting the toilet water holder on. You need to go and check that video out. But there's holes in my dolly. So the heat is officially getting to me. I'm getting a lot better at this, aren't I? No. Not really. Can you get them where they're magnetic, so then it doesn't flip out? Can you get them like that? I was just thinking of an idea then. Do they cost a lot of money, do they? So what are you doing that for then? Anybody feel free to go on Amazon and buy me one. I don't mind. I have a wish list on my Twitter account. I'm plugging it, you see. I'll have to go and put some on the wish list now. It's alright, you've got a few more videos to put on before this one. I've got plenty of time. I've been a busy bee. Right, so that is all the wheels on. So I'm going to put it on the floor now, I think, to do the rest. I'm going to have a look actually at the instructions because Mr. Producer really doesn't want to use a bag. If I can get away with it, because that was what he bought for, you see, not to use a bag. That's about putting the filter and everything on, but it's all on. The wheels are already attached to that thing and the filter's already on. But anyway, that's the filter. Start vacuuming. I told you how to start vacuuming. Vacuuming dry materials. In order to ensure proper filtering when vacuuming dust and dry materials, a foam sleeve and a dust collection bag should be installed. If the vacuum is used to vacuum up liquid, the foam sleeve must be cleaned and dried before using it to vacuum up dust. So that's that, isn't it? That's for liquids, right? But it does say that you should put the bag in. But It's not as if it's going to go anywhere, is it? Once it's in there. Put the bag in. Hey, do you think these tools would fit onto mine? The tool holder will. I need a new one because my bag's been ripped on mine by somebody, not naming names. Do you know what this one is? Bush one. What can I say? You pay that extra money, you get the extra personal treatment with it. I'm going to put the tools on. I quite like the tool holder. Even that one going on. Don't think they'll go on, will they? Because these are meant to shut inside themselves and then slot onto there. Ding! I got a long wand, look. Do you like my long wand? See, they haven't got on this one now what we wanted, the whoosh, where it pulls that back in. Has it? I know it costs money. It's what money's for, isn't it, to spend? You want? Are you sure you want the bag on? Because that is really heavy. It's a bit like a Dyson, but instead of being in the ball, make a dress. He's actually taking a photo of me as a dress. Why does it look like I'm not wearing anything else? I assure you, I have my YouTube thongs on and my cleaning outfit. I am wearing clothes behind the bag. I know I'm not a bag. Right, so it goes on the yellow nozzle, yes? The bag. It just slides in there, the bag. Wait, do I have to blow into it, do I? No, it's going on the other one. You just pull that bit out. Normally. Oh, I like being in the corner. Can't put baby in the corner. I watched Dirty Dancing yesterday, but the 2017 version with Kim Kardashian in. Not Kim Kardashian. Nicole Scherzinger person. The one who was going out with Hamilton, who drives the Formula 1 cars. I know which one. The one who had the Pussycat Dolls and off X Factor. There we go. Yeah, it was alright, but I don't know. I don't think there'll ever be another Johnny. I think Patrick Swayze will always be Johnny. The new Johnny was a good dancer, good singer, but in the original Dirty Dancing there was no singing. But that might have been for Nicole Scherzinger, because she's a singer, isn't she? But I liked the lady who played Baby. I've seen her in a few other films when she was little. But yeah, she played a good baby. And I like the bit at the end. Sorry, Mr. Producer, I'll get on with it in a minute. It actually showed you later on in their life, because Baby was actually in the audience watching one of Johnny's performances. He made the film about their summer together. He's my crying, maybe. I couldn't make my mind up if it was any good or not. I'd have to watch it again, I think. As you can tell, Mr. Producer's not really bothered because he likes the original. Always. Can you remember who played Baby in the original? Was it Jennifer Garner or something like that? Sure it was. And the sister was different in this one as well. I know she was a bit of a prima donna in the original, but I don't know. She was weirder in this one. They changed a lot of it. If you're going to remake Dirty Dancing, aren't you meant to make it the same? Anyway, I fitted the bag. That's connected. Cheers. Oh, it's connected. They're locking on, so. I think the best thing to do is to turn it on and see if I've done it right. That might be the best thing to do. There's a lot of wires right around this one. That is a lot of cable. I'm not sure how much cable. Was it about 3 meters? More? Move the body holding box. turn it off before I plug it in, shall we? This feels very flimsy. You know the other one? This bit feels more robust. I know it's a metal pipe, isn't it? But that feels more flimsy than the other one, and yet that feels more heavy duty. So I'm going to use the big one first. Are you ready? I'm going to turn it on at the wall. I don't know how noisy it is, so get ready. Because there was some damn good suction there. No, I'm not carrying on. Open the door. See, I didn't want to hoover up the knife bullet. I'll go down that way. For some reason there's a hula hoop down there. So we'll go down this way. Now there's two buttons here. There's a 2-line and a 1-line. Is the 2-line for when that's plugged in? See, I don't really want to test that out because I've got nothing to plug it into it. Do I look good with the new weapon? There we go, guys. The Robust Titan TTB431 vacuum from my lovely, lovely Screwfix that I love to go and buy things from. You know me, I always like to buy from Screwfix. Titan made. It's a wet and dry vacuum, 1400 watts, and it is bloody brilliant. Simple as that. Very good buy, Mr. Producer. Now go and hoover up the garage. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm hoovering out the caravan port with it to see how good it is. So watch out for that one. And I'll see you later, guys. Goodbye. Like the video for me. Subscribe to all 4 of my channels. And follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk. Don't forget my wish list on my Twitter account. And don't forget to go and subscribe to all of my channels. Come on. More sharing is power. Share, share, share. Share me around, I don't mind. And next, I'm going to go and use this bad boy on the hottest day of the year so far, down in the nice shady caravan port. So, I'm being told to leave the building. So, I'm leaving the building. Goodbye.